It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had in you. Fuck that nigga, ay.
What's up, beauty babes? It's your girl, Diamond J, and I'm coming back with another video. Y'all, I'm coming here to show y'all what I got. Let me show y'all what I got. I received the package in the mail. Yes, little I know. But before I get into that, I want to tell y'all, people are so weird or whatever. Because I'm just gonna start off saying, baby, let me tell you something. If you in my DM or you talking to me or whatever, I'm not trying to put nobody out there, but at the end of the day, like, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a business owner. I work, all the above. So therefore, this is a new millennium. This 2021. I'm asking for social medias. Well, how do you get them know people if you don't have a social medias? It's nothing serious or whatever. One, I'm not no stalker.
What the fuck?
I don't do stuff like that. Two, I don't got time for people. But anyways, yeah. So people are weird, y'all. So y'all gotta be mindful. If y'all can't give me your social media or whatever, I never had a problem with people giving me their social media, because at the end of the day, I give out all my social media. So go follow your girl on the gram right there or whatever, and go follow me on my business page right there, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment to this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment to this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment to this video, because if you ain't subscribed to your girl channel, edges is up, baby. What are you doing? Okay, nothing but positive vibes and good energy and shout outs and fun and out above over her, baby. So if you don't like it, then bypass it. Okay, but yeah, so yeah, I had to say that because I'm just like, okay, everybody wants everybody's social media. You're a stalker when you ask for somebody's number and all that when you first meet them. But social media is social media. How do you not get to know people? I'm a business owner, so I give out my social media. I give out my business cards. You're going to have all my social media. How do you get to know people? I want to see your whole image. I don't want to see 1 or 2 pictures of you, baby. I want to see your whole image. You feel me? Or whatever. But anyways, yeah, so let's get into my little package, y'all. Guess what I received today? My business cards. Y'all take a look, honey. Take a look at these business cards, y'all. I love them. Y'all, I love my business cards. Oh, whatever. I got a whole pack. Y'all, I told y'all, if y'all want business cards made, I personally make business cards. A lot of people already know that, but my beauty babes do not, because I never announced it on my YouTube channel. So yes, if you need your business cards made, make sure you hit me up on my Instagram, baby, because you will have your business cards, honey. Yes. Take a look. That gloss, okay? Yes. So for y'all that don't know or whatever, my business I'm relaunching my business. It'll be back up in April, no later than the end of March and the beginning of April, and your girl gonna be back with so much new stuff. At first I just had a few items of clothing. I had a whole bunch of lip gloss, and I had wholesale lip gloss and wholesale lashes. But I'm gonna also have that. I'm gonna have lip gloss, lashes. I'm gonna have men clothing, women clothing, anything you want. You better go shop at Queen's Reaction. Boop, I told y'all, go follow me. You feel me? I ain't posting nothing yet. It's some old posters on there, but all that's gonna get taken down, baby. All that's gonna get taken down. You feel me? All that's gonna get taken down. Yeah, I love my beauty babes, y'all. But just a quick thing I want to tell y'all. everybody that's coming from my gram, I love y'all because let me tell y'all, so many people has shared my YouTube on their story, and my followers overnight just went out the roof, and I was just like, what the hell? Then I got on my I got on my YouTube channel, and I'm just like, okay, where are these people coming from? I'm like, God is good, baby. It's 2021. We trying to blow up. We all trying to win. And that's on what? And that's on what? That's on period. Because if I win, you gonna win. And if you win, we all gonna win. You feel me? So, yeah. So, like I said, if y'all want shout outs or whatever, just like I did my little friend, the kid, Jay, you feel me? If y'all want shout outs and stuff like that, just hit me up on my DM. Because if you talk to me, I'm going to talk to you. And if you talk to me and I'm going to talk to you, when I talk to you, we're going to talk to everybody else. And then we're going to get these followers up. We're going to get these subscribers up. And everybody going to get us up. And then we all going to be winning. And we all going to be making money. And we all going to get... What? Okay. So, yeah, it's time for a new week. But yeah, so, don't forget to get, again, hit that button right there or whatever and follow your girl. I'm trying to vlog every day, all day or whatever. And I'm about to get some rest for work because your girl has to go to work tonight again, and I gotta work tomorrow on my off day again. Y'all, being in the medical field is just like constantly work or whatever. And then on top of that, I'm about to start my business back, so I am gonna be tired. So y'all just follow me on this journey. Y'all follow me, I follow y'all. Y'all send me y'all links, so put y'all links down in the description down there in the comment section or whatever. Put y'all Instagram down there so I can follow y'all, whatever, because I be getting so many followers, so I don't be knowing to who to follow back or whatever. I know I can just go on there and hit follow, but I just get on there and press the little heart and see all the notifications. But y'all, if y'all hit me up in my DM, I'm gonna talk to y'all back. If y'all comment on here, I'm gonna write back. If y'all comment on my Instagram, best believe I'm gonna heart and I'm gonna like back or whatever. I'm gonna write y'all. And if I see y'all liking all my stuff, yes, I always give a shout out. That's just me, period, because like I said, if I win, you win. And if you win, we all winning. And that's on what? That's on period. Okay, so y'all don't forget, I love my beauty babes. Y'all keep doing y'all thing, stay motivated, don't never give up, because I ain't giving up. Because if you give up, then that means that you the weakest link on for us all. Don't give up or whatever. It don't matter what you doing, entrepreneur life, working, don't give up. Keep on striving for success. Keep on being positive, blocking out the negativity. And don't let toxic people in your life, because they're going to hold you back. Yeah, they're going to hold you back. So, yeah, keep on striving, doing you. Let us all win. Let us all get it. Get it. Go. Okay? And I am out because this is what I want to tell y'all. I'm dropping a whole bunch of stuff on y'all and the updates on the house or whatever, because everybody knows I'm supposed to be moving. My real move-in date is in March 15th, but I'm still anxious. I'm just impatient. I just be like, oh Lord, I'm ready to move. I'm ready to move. I'm ready to go. But my real move date is March 15th. I'm just ready to go. Like when you have the money and you just like, can I just get it now, please? Because I'm ready to open my business back up and I'm ready to get everything in order. So y'all, I just dropped this little 9-minute video for y'all because I love my beauty babes. And don't forget to be positive, stay positive. And if you feel like giving up, y'all don't give up. Whatever you striving to be, whatever you trying to go in life, make sure that you keep going, regardless if you get negative comments, regardless if people you feel like people don't want to share, like, subscribe, or if you feel like if you have business, if you feel like people don't want to buy from you or whatever, still keep going, because guess what? I told y'all this. The strangers is your biggest supporter. The strangers is your biggest supporter. Say it with me. Strangers is your biggest supporters. Don't give up. Never give up. Because if ain't nobody gonna support you, believe me, I'm gonna support you. I'm gonna share your stuff on my Instagram. I'm gonna give you a shout out on my my YouTube. I'm gonna do it all, honey, because everybody trying to win. Period. All y'all beautiful. Everybody beautiful in their own way. So I love you, beauty babies. This time I am really finna go to sleep. I got to go.